Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. So today I'm here with a video for the solutions of the JEE 2024-2025 session, first attempt chemistry question paper. So today we are going to discuss the chemistry question paper for 22nd January morning 2025. So my motive for making this video is that many students, many teachers have already made this video for students. They have got the solutions, everything they have got. We respect them. But my motive for making this video is that you must know the concept. Many teachers have explained. You must know the tricks. Many teachers have also explained that thing. But this video is for the 80% of students who got confused after watching the questions. That's how we can proceed in this question. Means which area to be targeted. Only 10 to 15% questions 10 to 15% students have judged the questions right and they have given the answers right. This experience, because I am also teaching the JEE Mains students. So this question arise when the students, they were discussing the question paper with me, that sir, how you know that you have to go via this mechanism or we have to follow these steps. So I am here to discuss the question paper. So let us go the question number 1, JEE Mains 2025 online mode, 22nd January morning shift we are going to discuss. So first question is, which of the following electrolyte can be used to obtain H2S2O8 by the process of electrolysis? Now this question comes from the electrochemistry, electrolysis process is there. So if you see, if you remember the electrolysis process of H2SO4. H2SO4 means it is the sulfuric acid. So we get here H2S2O8 plus what else we get here? We get hydronium ions H plus electron at anode. This is the anode reaction. At cathode, what do we get? At cathode, at anode oxidation occurs, loss of electron is oxidation. So from here we have got the answer. Because if you know that H2SO4 on oxidation gives H2S2O8, you will get the answer. Here we have concentrated, dilute, acidified, and one more option we have. So this dilute sodium sulfate, we do not have the answer. Sodium sulfate, we do not have the answer. So the options. So this is the conceptual method. Now I will tell you the trick. Okay, let us write the cathode reaction. So here electron plus H2O gives you H2 plus OH. So this is for balancing the equation, you can write 2 electrons. So this is the conceptual method. So from anode reaction, we come to know that the right answer is H2SO4. But if I go via the trick method, options. So what I have got? I have got concentrated solution of sulfuric acid. I have got sodium sulfate, sulfuric acid dilute. Now definitely these are not our options because sodium sulfate never gives you H2S2O8. It will be given by sulfuric acid or sulfuric acid, concentrated or dilute. Now concentrated sulfuric acid, its electrolysis gives H2S2O8. This is somehow, you can say that it is a memory based question, or you can say that it is. So hence we have got the right answer for this question. So this is how you can solve the questions. So if we move for the second question, which of the following statement is not true for the radioactive decay? We know what is radioactive decay. Radioactive decay is lambda, and lambda is equal to 0.693 upon T half. It is like the rate constant in chemical kinetics chapter, right? So not true means false statement. Definitely we have got this statement right. Half-life we have discussed here. Decay constant increases with temperature. In this relationship, do you find any relationship of decay constant with temperature? We do not have any. It is independent of temperature. So I have got my answer from here. So I can say that it does not depend upon temperature. Right option. Amount of radioactive substance remains 3 halves. After 3 halves is 1 upon 8 of original amount. Like, if you remember, there is a trick in solving the chemical kinetics chapter. T half for 50% reaction it is T half. For 75% reaction it becomes 2 T half. for 87.5% reaction, it becomes 3T half. So if I take half, then it will become 1 by 4, then again half, it will become 1 by 8. So option number fourth is again right option. So we have the correct option also. In this question we also got the correct option, that is the option number 2, means decay constant increases with temperature. Why it is wrong? Because rate constant is independent of temperature. So we can check the answers. So we have got the right answer. Next, yes, two statements. Now CH3O CH2Cl will undergo SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction, it should come to your mind that SN1 reaction means stability of carbocation. Directly, SN1 reaction means stability of carbocation. Now, if I form a carbocation here, is it stable? You have to check. Now, we have the methoxy group. It is methoxy group. This carbocation is stabilized via resonance or mesomeric effect, you can say. So, this statement is true. Right? Then, statement 2, this will not undergo SN2 reaction very easily, although it is primary right very easy. Now, if you see, if you remember that SN2 mechanism is inversely proportional to steric hindrance. Steric hindrance means bulky groups. They stop the nucleophile to come and attack on the respective carbon. So here we have methyl. Sorry, this is not methyl. We have got 3 methyl groups. Although this carbon will be under attack by the incoming nucleophile, but the steric hindrance of these 3 groups, it will not let this reaction undergo SN2 reaction easily because of the steric hindrance factor. So we can say that this statement is also true. So going to this thing, so statement 1 and 2 are incorrect, but both are correct. So this is our, I guess, right option. So we have got this. Is it clear? Okay. Then moving towards the fourth question. The products formed in the reaction sequence. Now this question will be solved by trick and concept boards. Nitro. First of all, whenever you see nitro somewhere, in mind it should be nitro meta directing, because it is electron withdrawing group. It gives the minus I effect, or you can say the minus M effect, right? So nitro activates meta position. Definitely Br2, it will be coming here. So in the first step, what we get NO2 bromo from the first, right? Meta bromo nitro benzene. In second, SnHCl, if you remember, there are some reactions of nitrobenzene with kin and HCl. It does reduction. So this NO2 is converted to NH2 with bromo at meta. NaNO2 HCl 273 Kelvin. Every student in class 12 knows that this is the formation of disonium salt. So in the third step, what we get? We get N2 positive, Cl negative, and bromo. Now C2H5OH, what it does? It does the reduction. What happens here? So I guess all 3 steps are clear with you. I will now write the fourth step on this screen. I have to clear this. Okay, fourth one is this one. Now, fourth one. I got, in the third step, I got N2 positive, Cl negative, and bromo with the meta. Now C2H5OH, let me write it like CH3, CHHOH. Alcohol with the disonium salt, what we get? We get a side product is N2. One we get is HCl, means this hydrogen you can say is utilized. This hydrogen is utilized. So this bond is shifted here. So what we will get? We will get CH3, CHO means one molecule we are getting in the form of aldehyde, always remember. And secondly, disonium salt, after reduction what we will get? We get bromobenzene. Right? Now as bromo is there, so no ortho meta para. Students gets this wrong sometimes. They say that it is meta bromo. It's not. When there are 2 functional groups, then only ortho para meta are decided, otherwise it is not decided. So we get this thing and one acetaldehyde. So let us check the answer. there. So first is OH, OEP, OH. Yes, this is the, I guess, right answer. So hence this is the right answer. Now this is the conceptual method going by the reaction mechanism. What if I tell you trick? Bromo, now nitro and bromo, it will give you meta bromo, clear? Skip to the third step. NaNO2HCl, nitro will be converted to disonium salt, right? And then with a bromo at meta position, disonium salt is always then converted to simple benzene by reduction. So just find in all the four options, first option bromobenzene. We do not have bromobenzene. We do not have bromobenzene. Do not have bromobenzene. Only in one option we have bromobenzene. So just by checking first and the last step, means NaNO2HCl, we know disonium salt is there. So just by checking first and last step, we would have found the product that it is bromobenzene. And the second product we need not to find anything. Why? Because acetaldehyde, here acetic acid, and here we have totally different molecules. So in the fourth option, we have these two respective. Right? Means with bromobenzene, only acetaldehyde is present, otherwise there is no bromobenzene. So directly we could have picked the fourth option as the right option. So we are moving to question number 5. Yes, NiCl4 2 negative. Now if you see, we can pick the odd one out here also. Why? Because in NiCl4 it is x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to plus 2. That means nickel with 0, not our option, right? So option 1 is already gone. Carbonyl, what is the charge on carbonyl? 0. Means here it becomes x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0. That means option number C is also gone. Two options directly eliminated just by checking the oxidation state. Is it right? So if we check option number B and C, B and D. Now the square planar and tetrahedral. NiCl4, chlorine is strong field ligand or weak field ligand? Coordination number is 4. Just check this thing. With coordination number 4, weak field ligand never gives you square planar. Right? So we can opt for, we can go with this option. So we can go with this option. Hence the right answer. So if conceptual we go for this question, NiCl4, nickel, atomic number 28, mean 4s2, 3d8. When it becomes Ni2 plus, it becomes 4s0, 3d8, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4s is vacant and 4p is vacant. So the bond formation of chlorine will be from here, 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 and here. So it is sp3. sp3 means what is the geometry? We are getting tetrahedral. So if we go for NiCO4 again, so we get 3d8, 4s2. As oxidation state of nickel is 0, so we can write it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 2 electrons in 4s, then 4p totally vacant. Now carbonyl, we know it is a strong field ligand. Strong field ligand always push the electrons towards the inner d orbitals. So these s 4s electrons are shifted here and here. So what we are getting is a vacant, totally vacant s orbital. So the bond formation of carbonyl will be same as chlorine, means sp3. sp3 means tetrahedral. So conceptual and trick wise it was just merely, you can say that it was the question of just merely 15 seconds. Why? Because nickel with chlorine never tetrahedral. It is always, because it is a weak field ligand. If it is coordination number 6, then it would have gone the other way. But the coordination number 4 with weak field ligand, never square planar. It is always tetrahedral. Next question. The compounds gives positive Fehling test. Fehling test, first of all, concept. It is given by aliphatic aldehydes and reducing sugars. Aliphatic aldehydes means there should not be any benzenoid compound. It is not our option. It is ketone. This is our option. This is our option. This is also not our option. So I guess BC. Why? Because it is ketone. Ketone do not show Fehling test. This is aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde do not show Fehling test. So what we got? We got these three options. So C, D and E is our, I guess, right option. Hence you can see. So trick wise, this question was merely, this question needs merely 20 seconds. Max 30 seconds. Do not need to think much of it because it is memory based question. You can, the problem with this question was this compound. So always remember, fructose gives positive Fehling test because fructose can be converted to glucose, that is reducing sugar. In carbohydrates chapter it is mentioned clearly. In NCERT also, glucose and fructose both are called reducing sugars. That is the reason why we got this answer. So moving towards the next question. Yes, very easy question. So if you check here, go for option number A. Definitely the size is maximum, means A goes with ionic radii because all are ions. A4 need, A4 need not to check all three now. Now check A4. Sometimes the options are like that. A4, A and D means B and C already gone. So if you check A and D, A4, B1, A4, B1, need not to check all four. Need not to check all four options. Just check C or D. Let us check C. What is C? C is boron, aluminium, magnesium, potassium. Okay, these are the metallic metals, means definitely the option is A4 and C2. Just check these two options. This is how you can save time, kids. This is the time saving mode because mathematics is gonna very tough. So you need maximum time to solve the mathematics. How you can save time in chemistry and how you can score well in chemistry by using tricks and all these things. So A4, C2, I guess. A4, C2, A4, C2, yes. So hence we got the right option, right? Next. Okay, a vessel at 1000 Kelvin contains CO2 with a pressure of 0.5 atm. Sum of CO2 is converted into CO on addition of graphite. Okay, let us write the reaction. So it is CO2 plus C gives 2CO. So if the total pressure at equilibrium is 0. Then Kp is. So if I write the Kp, it will become CO raised to power 2 into CO raised to power 2 divided by CO2. This is the pressure because Kp we are finding. Okay. Now let us make this equation. So CO2 plus C, 2CO, because the process, this thing is in equilibrium, so I can write here, initial pressure is 0.5 atm, 0.5, here nothing, so 0.5 minus x, it becomes 2x. Now we have got the total pressure at equilibrium, so I can write Pt is equal to 0.5 minus x plus 2x, that means it becomes 0.5 plus x. It is equal to 0.8 as per the equation. So x comes out to be equal to 0.3. Now put this value here. So it will become 2 into 0.3 raised to power 2 divided by 0.5 minus 0.3 is 0.2. So it becomes 2 to the 4 into 0.09 divided by 0.2. I guess simple calculations you can do. So if we calculate it, we get 1.8 as the right answer. Very easy. The basic of equilibrium chapter you are utilizing here. Easiest question from equilibrium comes in JEE Mains. So option number D, we have got right answer. Is it clear to everyone? Next, a solution of aluminium chloride is electrolyzed for 30 minutes using a current of 2 ampere. The amount of aluminium deposited at the cathode is. Now, if you know Faraday's second law, everyone must know. W is equal to ZIT, or we can say W is equal to E upon N into 96500 into I into T. Just use the values. The basic of your question. This question is also mentioned in NCERT textbook. If you have read the NCERT textbook, you might have solved this question very easily. So what is the this thing? So 27 upon 3 into what is I? I is 2 ampere. 2 into 30 into 60 divided by 96500 coulomb. So multiplying and dividing this thing. So to speed up, I can use the calculator here. Okay, let us 9. So it will become 18 square. 18 square is 32400 divided by 96500. So 32 divided by 9 is 9 3s are 27. So approximately 3 or 0.3 something the answer will be. So I have got only one option, 0.336, I guess. Let me check once again. So it will be 9 into 2 into 3 into 6, 96500. So how you can calculate the calculation? Making easy calculation. 9 2s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 2 zeros, 18 square is 324. Just put up 2 zeros. 96500, 0 cancel. So just take the 2 digits, take the first digits. So definitely 32 in 9. 27 is less than 22. Calculation done. That's it. We have got the rough value. If the two values are same, then we can go for further calculation. But from here, definitely I am getting 0.3. I have got this thing. Let us check this answer. Again, the right answer. So these are the tricks, kids, how you can use. If we would have solved this question, it would have taken only 1 minute, not more than that. Next, how many different stereoisomers are possible in the given molecules? I have solved this question in class notes. My students whom I am teaching, you can check our class notes. This question is as it is mentioned there. So it is very easy. We have got one double bond and we have got one chiral carbon. So D and L from here, cis and trans from here. Total how many we have got? 4. So just click 4. Very easy question. Stereoisomerism is very easy. So next question. A liquid kept thermally insulated vessel at 25 degree was mechanically stirred from outside. What will be the correct option for the following thermodynamic parameters? So now, this question is in our module. First of all, this question is in our module. So thermally insulated, trick, thermally insulated means Q is 0. That means this option is already gone. Okay, this option is already gone. Now is a mechanically stirred. Mechanically stirred means work done is greater than 0. This option is gone. Work done is equal to 0. Stirring is done. Work is done on the system. So work done is greater than 0. If work is done on the system, then how would the internal energy is decreasing? Right? You are melting ice. How the molecules they are coming to rest. Internal energy is increasing. So definitely by trick and everything, we have got this thing. Delta U greater means internal energy is also increasing. Q is 0. Work done, it is also increasing. So we have got B option. Right? Next question, lanthanide ions with 4 and 7 configuration are. So if we write, it is you can say memory based question because exceptional cases are there. If you write the atomic number of europium, anyone remember the atomic number of europium? It is 63. So it is 4s7 and I guess 6s2. Right? Gadolinium, it is 64. It becomes 4f7. 4f7, I guess 5d1 and 6s2. So A and B, if the option is there, A and B only. Hence we got the right answer once again. So these are the whatever they have discussed. Okay, moving to the next question. Incorrect statements regarding GI, geometrical isomerism. Now geometrical isomerism is formed where there is a restricted rotation along double bond. Propene, C, double bond C. I can write hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and CH3. Always remember correct and incorrect. Students get confused. Incorrect means incorrect. So propene shows GI? No. It is incorrect means we have got the right answer. It is incorrect. Why? Because two groups are same. It do not show GI means first option is our right option. Now directly go to the options. Means already option C and D is eliminated. This is how you should solve the question. C and D already eliminated. Now option A and B. A, E, A, D, E means E is also right. Only go for option number D. Option D, option D, option D. 2-methyl butene shows 2 GIs. 2-methyl butene. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl butene. No, it do not show. Why? Because we have got methyl and methyl. I can write this thing like this. C double bond C, H3, CH3. Here CH3 hydrogen. True, two groups are same. That means it is again a wrong option. For us, it is a right option. Now, instead of solving the 5 statements, why shouldn't we solve only 2 statements? These are the tricks, nothing else, simple tricks. So, I guess the right option is A, D and E. Let us go. Right answer. Clear? Are you getting how we are solving the questions only by using the tricks? Statement 1, 1 mole of propane reacts with excess of sodium to liberate half a mole of H2. It is right out. Bilkul, definitely right. How? C, triple bond, C and H plus sodium. What we are getting? We are getting C and a positive and half H2 means this is true statement. It is true. 4 gram of propane reacts with NaNH2 to ammonia, which gives 224 ml of STP. We can solve this by using stoichiometry. Let us take propane CH3, C, triple bond CH plus NaNH2 gives us half H2. Okay, ammonia gas occupies 4 gram of propane reacts with NaNH2 to liberate ammonia gas, which occupies 224 at STP. Okay, sorry, there is ammonia. NH3. It means its mass is 3640. 40 gram gives 1 mole or 22,400 ml, right? And 4 gram it will give X mole, right? So just use the stoichiometry. So what we are getting here is 4 into 22, 4,000 divided by 40, divided by 40. So what we are getting here is 1. Means we get 22,400 ml. And what it has mentioned 224 ml. Means the second statement is wrong statement. We are getting 224 in the question, but in answer we are getting 2,240 ml. So I will go with statement 1 true, statement 2 false. Statement 1 true, statement 2 false. Option B. Right answer. So using the stoichiometry, which of the following is the electronegativity correct or incorrect order of electronegativity? Again, check the question twice. It is true, right? Aluminium, silicon, yes, just check these two. Don't go here and there. Magnesium is more metallic than aluminium. So our right option is option number C. I guess. No need to check anything, no need to go anywhere. Just use your basic concepts. Yes. Arrange the following order of increasing boiling points. If you know delta TB is equal to I into kVm, means TB is directly proportional to I. Now if you check the concentration, here we have got 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 4. Means second is at last and fourth is at first. Fourth first, second last. Just go for this option. Trick and concept both we have mixed. Fourth first to last. Fourth first to last means this option is gone. This option is gone. This is again gone. Why? Because 2 and 3. They are saying that these are equal. How they come to be equal? 10 to the power minus 4 and 10 to the power minus 3. Use concepts, do some smart work. So definitely option number 4. 4, yes, 4 and 2. Right answer we have got. Next next question. In which of the following complexes the CFSE delta naught will be equal to 0? Now delta naught will be equal to 0. All the coordination number they are 6, means equal electrons should be on the T2G as well as on the EG orbital. I tell you a trick for CFSE. In tetrahedral, T2 is on upper side. It means in octahedral, T2 is on lower side. Now check condition number 6, 3, 3 to the 6, 6 and 6. Means everywhere they are the octahedral complexes, definitely. Now check in strong field ligand, strong field ligand, strong field ligand. I'm telling you the trick now. These three are strong field ligand, this is a weak field ligand, means this might be the answer. Or we can just calculate. If we calculate this thing, for this, if it is a strong field ligand, definitely the d orbitals will go like this. So Fe, En3Cl3 means here the oxygen state is plus 3, plus 2, plus 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because iron, atomic number 26. So if we go Fe in plus 3, Fe, it will be 3d6, 4s2. So in Fe plus 3, it will become 3d5, 4s0. In plus 2, it will become 3d6, 4s0. So we have to arrange these things now. SCN, thiocyanate, minus 1. So what we get? Iron plus 3. Because it is minus 6, it is plus 3. We are getting plus 3 again. So these are the electrons. So in this case, we got 5 electrons. In this case also, we are getting this thing. So no electron in the EG orbital. All electrons are present in the T2G orbital, means this will not give you the 0 CFSE. Now coming to ammonia. Coming to ammonia, we have got this complex Fe plus 2 means the same splitting is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again non-zero means our right option is A definitely. Let us calculate for this A. For A we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, here I get 0.6 into 2. 12, here I get 0.4 into 3. Plus 12 minus 0.12. So delta CF is plus 0.12 minus 0.12 is equal to 0. So this trick and concept mixture of these two things. These three are strong field ligands, not our option. This is the weak field, our option. So let us go for it. Right option. Is it clear? Next, which of the following acid is a vitamin? Vitamin C, everyone knows. Ascorbic acid. Memory based question. You can directly click it. It would not have taken more than 2 or 3 seconds. Just the time consumed in solving this question was just a click. Why? Because from the 7th, 8th grade, you are studying vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Although that is a vitamin, this compound, vitamin C is a mixture of these two compounds. One of them is ascorbic acid. So just the clicking time we needed. Radius of the very first excited state of helium is given by this A0 and the stationary state of hydrogen atom. Now we know R is equal to A0 into N square upon Z. What is the first excited state means? First excited state means second stationary state, right? That means the electron has jumped from 1 to 2 means 2 raised to power 2 divided by, what is the atomic number of helium? 2. 2 to the 4 by 2. 2 means it is 2A0. Where is there 2A0? We have got option number 2. Just formula based, very easy question. Formula based question. Next, IUPAC name. No needed to even see the options. Why? Just see. We have got carboxylic acid, we have got an ester. Now preference is always given to carboxylic acid. Preference is always given to carboxylic acid. So O8, AIM, O8, oic acid means not our option, not only one at one position. Oic acid is mentioned. Definitely here it is our option. Not more than 5 seconds. Click it. You got the answer. Is it clear? So the next question we have got, integer type question. Consider the following sequence. Just observe the sequence here. It will take only 30 seconds. You will realize sodium diether, only at one position we use it. Where? In Bode selection or fatigue reaction? You give me the answer in the comment box. Bode selection or fatigue reaction? You give me the answer, right? So definitely benzene is there, means two benzenes are going, they are going to be attached with each other. Biphenyl is the product here. You can directly see the answer. Why? Because in the third step we have got Cu2Cl, means chlorobenzenes, they are getting connected. NaNO2HCl means disonium salt. We already have discussed in class 12 the formation of chlorobenzene from disonium salt, if you remember. Definitely SnHCl, it is going to be amine. It would not have taken more than 30 or 40 seconds here. Very easy question. So definitely NO2, in the first step we get, in the first step we would have gotten amine. In the second step we would have gotten an disonium salt. Third step we would have gotten chlorobenzene. In the fourth step we would have gotten biphenyl. Now calculate the molar mass of biphenyl. In biphenyl, in one benzene here, I have got 6 carbons, 5 hydrogens. So 6, 12, 6 is 72 plus 5, 79. Sorry, 72 plus 5 is 77, guys. 77. Now I have got two benzene rings exactly with the same number of atoms. So 77 into 2. Do the multiply here. 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 15. 154. Just input your answer. The answer is 154. Right answer. How much time would have this question taken for solution? Right. Next, the number of molecules showing linear geometry. If anyone knows the geometry, if anyone knows the chemical bonding chapter, they would have solved. Now I will draw the geometries. SO2. Sulfur has 6 electrons, means like this. 6 electrons in sulfur. Oxygen makes 2 bonds. 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 1 lone pair, means not the planar structure. Gone. We will write this thing like this. Oh, bent structure. BeCl2. If anyone remembers, it is the linear structure, means this would have made CO2. Who don't know the structure of CO2? N3, we know. N3 is nitrogen with a negative charge. NO2. NO2 is an exceptional structure with only 1 electron, which acts as a lone pair. F2O. Don't you think it is similarly like H2O? If H2O is bent, F2O is again bent, means it is not our option. So F2O looks like F and F. Then XeF2. Xenon has 8 electrons in the valence shell. 2 are bonded, 3 are lone pairs, means sp3d geometry, trigonal bipyramidal. So 2 fluorines are present at the axial bonds, not at the equatorial, means definitely it is like this. So we can draw this geometry as xenon, fluorine, fluorine, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, means it is our option. NO2 positive. NO we have made, if it is NO2 positive, remove this lone pair, then it will become a linear geometry. Means this is our option. I3 negative. This geometry is similar to XeF2. Same geometry. We will get I, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Linear. Ozone, not a linear. So just let me change the color. We will calculate the rights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 molecules are there which show linear geometry. Right answer is 6. This, if you remember the geometries, it would have taken only 1 minute 30 seconds. Next, very big question, very big statement. Some CO2 gas was kept in a sealed container at a pressure of 180 m and 273 Kelvin. Entire amount of CO2 was later passed through an aqueous solution of CaOH2. Excess unreacted CaOH2 was later neutralized with, underline this, 0.1 40. 0.1 into 40 ml HCl means 0.1 into 40 divided by 1000. It has become 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3. If the volume of sealed container was X, of CO2 was X, then X is, okay, we have to find the volume of CO2. Given hai, entire CO2 was reacted with exactly half the initial amount, we got the answer. What is the amount of calcium hydroxide we have got? 4 moles. Half of 4 moles of CO2 is reacted, so how many moles are reacted? 2 into 10 raised to power 3. Now we want to calculate the volume, means multiplied by 22,400. If it is in centimeter cube means ml. So it will be 844 into 10 raised to power minus 3. 2010 10 minus 1. So it is 44.8 ml. Very easy here, very easy question. Just check the statement, you will get the answer. So we have, I guess, round, yes, nearest integer 44.8, nearest integer is 45. We got the answer. Is it okay? Carey's method. Carey's method. What is the mass of organic compound? 140. Formula based question is, it is there. So just apply a simple stoichiometry here. 143.5 gave 35.5 gram. So 143.5 milligram gave X. So X is equal to 1 millimole. That means 35.5 mg. Got the amount of chlorine. Carey's method formula everyone knows. So it is mass of chlorine divided by mass of organic compound into 100. Right? So in this way we will get the answer. So if you see, now again the calculation, my friends, again the calculation. 3550 divided by 180 divided. Just check. 18 to the 36. We have to round off percentage because it is 180 milligram. We have to round off, means 18 to the 36. The answer may be 20 or 19 point something. So if you want to divide it, we can divide it also. I can use a different color pen. So if I divide it, 355 divided by 18, 18 ones are 18, 75. Then I guess it will be 9. 19 point something, 20 will be the answer. So I will just pick 20. Correct option. Once again, the right answer we have got. Okay. Now the last question, 25th question. A to B, molecule A changes into its isomeric form B by following first order kinetics at a temperature of 1000 Kelvin. If the energy barrier was with respect to reactant energy for such isomeric transportation is this one, frequency factor is this one, time required for 50% molecules of A to become B in picosecond. Picosecond means the answer should be 10 raised to minus 12. Right? Now you want the 50% molecule, means you want to calculate the T half. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Now from where we can calculate the K? We have got energy barrier, frequency factor. Definitely E is equal to A, E raised to power EA upon RT. We are gonna use. Right? So just put the values. What is the frequency factor? 10 raised to power, energy barrier is 20. E raised to minus, what is the activation energy? That is 191 kilojoules. 191.48 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by 8.314 into, what is the temperature? Temperature 1000 Kelvin. So simplifying these equations, we get 10 raised to power 10. Now put this value here. So what we get? T half is equal to 0.693 divided by 10 raised to power 10. 10. Right? So it will be 0.693 10 raised to power minus 10, or we can write 69.3 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Right? So the right answer we have got is 69. That is the right answer. So students, this is how you can solve the questions here. Use trick, use your memory. You do smart work, that's all. You save time in chemistry, score good marks, that will help you in solving mathematics. So that was all about our today's video. We will come in the next video with the 22nd January evening shift question paper. See you soon. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. We will come soon with the next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.